You ready?
Olivia, are you ready for your first vegetable? No, get her pacifier.
Hey, hey, no. Oh, shh. Oh, she don't like it. She doesn't like it. Babe, she don't like it.
She likes it.
She does not.
I'm done.
She said, I done. She said, I done.
She's all done.
She doesn't even want to open her mouth. Why would you get peas? Seriously.
Olivia, do you like them?
Oh my gosh, I thought they were green beans. No wonder she's not liking peas.
Do you like them, baby?
I'm thinking her face says it all.
Try one more time.
Babe, no.
She has to start with not sweet vegetables.
She's gonna throw up.
No.
I'm not
I'm
doing
like,
this.
why are you giving me this?
Aki.
No, Dad is a bad example.
Aki. We'll get these off you.